Okay guys, so that's how you can connect the yarn with the lighter. So you're taking one spot and one end and another, and then you lightening one of them like that. See, you can see the flame, and then you connect it like that, and then push it together and then hold it together. Okay, so when you're holding it together like that, and then you will feel this connection in the middle. You need to try to kind of rub it together and connect it more until you feel that it's really small, that plastic piece that you created by doing it. It will be very, very small in the middle of it. And then wait until it will become cold. So wait for a few minutes and then pull, and you can see that yarn is connected nicely. You don't see any connection.